Hello and welcome. No, stop. Hello.
Hello,
Good to see you.
good to see you too.
I'm like in wake up mode. So we have evidence that there's five people who are moving along. You and I. So we have seven. We need to. So hi everybody. We need to chase you all to make sure you're going and figuring out what blocks you have and how we can help unblock you. We're all here to do that, and we really want to see people get across the finish line. I was thinking one of the things we could do today is actually take a look at the projects that have been submitted from the global team because those are starting to come in, so we can see what other people's projects nine are looking like, and that's kind of an open public opportunity for us to all see who our favorites are. Anyways, Ariane, I turn it over to you.
Yes, yes. We will see what people have made, what they haven't, and how many votes basically they got for the Spotlight Award. And we will analyze what we can do similarly since the deadline is today only, you can say today and tomorrow. Tomorrow, the Spotlight Award will be given, right, Philippa?
Yeah. Yeah. The tomorrow's the closing celebration, so they're looking for anybody who can get it done by tomorrow. Get it done because now you'll get sort of the official entry into the Microsoft Spotlight, which is really cool if you can get that. I will say though, we here and with our team, we still get an extra week. Keep going. We want you to finish, and I'm sure they're going to announce because I know they want as many people to participate and kind of get through these challenges that there probably will be an extension as well. But with us, we really want you to keep going and finish. So if you need an extra week, please take it. I know here in the United States, we're coming into a holiday weekend, so hopefully that just gives people some extra time to finish. Because I know I personally have been on school deadlines and work deadlines and volunteer deadlines, and I had a big event yesterday that took the whole day. So today is my day to really make a lot of progress on my end and also reach out. I know some people have reached out to me on LinkedIn and by email, and so I want to make sure that those questions are being handled, even if they're just being redirected to WhatsApp. Because Ariane, you've been amazing at handling a lot more of the technical questions. I know that yeah, there were just some blocks that still need to be addressed, and so we'll get to those. But yeah, let's talk about Quest 9.
Yeah, there is not much to talk about that, but I will just give you an overview for the same. I will be sharing my screen just a minute. Like I have told you in the last session also, like I have briefed you what we can do and what we can't. So I will be telling you a similar thing in this session also, but in a bit detailed manner. So let's see that. This is question 9. We have to make a production ready template to customize. What are the prerequisites? Prerequisites are basically you should have a GitHub account, a VS Code installed, Node.js installed, and a subscription and Azure Developer CI. So here you have to do whatever you have done till Quest 8. You have to implement any one of them or multiple of them to make something which you want to make by making use of Azure and Microsoft resources. So there are many resources of Azure. You can go and check out and see what basically works for you and what not. Then you can basically build whatever you want, like a fully managed end-to-end application or a front end or whatever. You can go hop on to it and see what can be done and what not. Here are some commands which are will be required if you are using Azure CLI to deploy your application, like Azure Auth, init package provision and all. When you'll be going through it, you will see, like, if you go towards this side, you will be seeing many templates, like one with RAG is present, one in Python is there, one for NLP with summarization is there, Gen AI is there, and similarly we have many things. So you can go and check like what you want to build, how you want to build, and then this template will basically give you what you want, and a basic code base of all the things. You just have to basically edit it a bit, like whatever you want, and how you want to change the UI, or you want to implement some new features or something else, you can get get it done with easily. For additional resources, you can go through it and read it up. Then after that you have done all of them, then you have to submit it in the main repo. You have to go to the main repo, and you should write something like it, like whatever you have used, what implementation you have done, the setup instructions, why you made it, how you made it, what is the tech stack. Then finally you have to push it to that main repo. You should be having a readme file for the same, and then just open a new issue using this particular template, and wait and have your votes, your friends votes on the project whichever you have made, and come to the basically spotlight. So this is the main repo. If you see,
Mm-hmm.
we have,
So yeah.
yeah, we have around 6 projects as of now. You can just view any one of them, and you can read about them, whatever things are there, and then you can vote for it, like how you want to use, how to do this, and the other stuff. You can just check their demo or the repo, whatever you want, and then see how to do things. So
So can
that's
we
it.
see what some of the yeah, can we take a look at some of the projects? So we've got an AI assistant for your legal problems. Okay. I'm literally in law school, so I'm curious about this one.
Yeah, so this is an AI assistant. A demo is here. He told like why he made this, what is the solution, what is the template customization, what the technical things he have used, what is the approach, the repo and live demo link. Then here he basically told everyone to put a vote, like you can vote or decline whatever you want from here. So this is one of the projects which got uploaded recently, and then one more project is there, which is this one. You can see it is basically a AI agent which solve real world problem in the societal personal climate change thing. Then
Well,
this template,
actually, I,
yeah,
I'm going to stop you
please.
because we're 2 for 2 for law projects because that was the Kenyan Constitution. So
Yeah, yeah.
I'm all in for the law projects because it is a way to sort of understand the Kenyan Constitution. So, anyways, I'm just noting that we have a shared interest in law with these projects. One is your legal assistant, and the other one's know your country's constitution.
Yes, yes.
Excellent. All right, excited to see what else we have.
So what we also have, just let me bear the screen, yeah. So you can read about it to get it know better. Just see what they have made or not. The live link is also there where it is hosted. You can check it out. Then we also have this project, VMwareTools.com. It is the solution, and other VM things in all is there. Like you have implemented implementer sync, your resume support, triple file check, and whatever the resources are there. We have also given you the resource link. Live demo is not there, and you can do the things. And then here it's a onboarding software. So what's the problem we have said? Then global recruitment solution and other things. The study jam link is also given here, like ours. Yes, cyber system is there, and live link and all other things. Similarly, you can vote, and this was the first project which was uploaded, so it would have more likes, I guess. Yeah, currently it is leading. DeepMind, Sentinel. So yeah, these are all the things. You can get a
So
look
what's
on it, try
can you
it.
give us a I can't quite read it. Can you give us a little more of what DeepMind Sentinel is?
DeepMind Sentinel. Okay, so here it is said that workers basically face various hazard by mining. So what issues are there? If you wanna ask something about that particular thing, what regions the incidents happen, and other communication barriers, and safety protocols are not followed, and like that many problem is there. So for that this particular project submission has been done. He have implemented a system deep minds, then lentil AI, in which you can basically have real time guidance and monitoring for mining operations and all.
Are
So
they
we have
using
to.
geospatial for that? I just the word sentinel. I was just trying to figure out what data are they processing.
I guess they are using just API, nothing else.
Oh, okay. They're
GPT
curious.
is working in background and giving the answers on your behalf. So nothing. It's an LLM model only, just refined for this particular work.
Okay. So they're using more of like a, I would say the RAG. Is it RAG where they have a, it's being pulling specific data?
I don't think it's RAG. For RAG, you have to give something like some documentations from your own, and he haven't given anything. I am just thinking he have used some LLM in the back end, like Mistral or OpenAI, Gemini, or whatever.
Oh, so he's really just pulling in the API.
I am thinking only see API is there, front end is there. Let's say.
Okay. I was curious what, how these are being built and what people are doing. Interesting. Great. So,
Mine is ready. Just it is not getting deployed to because I have to basically I have made a full stack project. It took me 4 days. It is
oh
not
wow.
getting. Yeah.
Wow. So tell me more. You said it's taking 4 days and you're doing a full stack?
Yeah, so the thing is, I have tested it locally. I have checked all the validation error, testing phase, development phase, all of that is done. I was thinking to do it earlier since voting and all is there, but I don't want to compromise on what I'm making. So I am on the last phase, but from the past 1 day, I'm trying to get it deployed on Azure, but it is not being deployed there. So what I have made is basically an AI carrier navigator. In that, if you will see that, आगे so the things are basically there are four features as of now. If you open the site, you will see one carrier chat, one for interview preparation, one for your if you want to resume analysis and all, and one feature is for basically identifying your skill gaps and all. So I have configured the LLM model in a way like it will answer in a particular way which is efficient, and I have basically also implemented how much max token it can get. No lags is there. I have used the latest UI UX trends and also implemented a backend with the use of Flask and Python. And like that, I have done many things. It's a big project. I could show you. I just have to run it, I guess. Let me
I'm
see.
curious to see. It sounds amazing. I think I know what I want to do, but I'll get there. I have a
Yeah, just give me a minute. It will take time to load. So, what do you think? I should post it without deploying since it's not being deployed. The main thing is people wouldn't be able to use it unless they forget.
well. I think there's two things you can, and then again, I don't. I'm just. I guess the question is kind of when is the finish line because there's the GitHub repo piece of it and sort of the README and telling what it's about, what it's doing. But then there's the full deployment. So I don't know if you want to sort of just set it up and then fix it. I just don't know if they're going to judge first thing Monday morning US time, or it's just a hey, congratulations, we're done everybody with the sprint, and we're going to give everybody a couple more days to sort of get their submissions in, or if it's like we're just going to judge what's here now. So I think you should build the whole thing because that's going to be great for your portfolio, and there's more that can be done with it. But you might just want to submit the GitHub repo README sort of section of it, and I don't know. It's up to you. What do you think?
Yeah, like it's done. I have completed my project, but the main thing, it's not been deployed. I have to do it.
Mm. Well, you have one full
Uh,
day, at least.
hmm?
You have a full day, at least,
You
since tomorrow
haven't?
night. for you, tomorrow night will be the closing ceremony.
Yeah, mostly I will try to do it today only. Like my
Okay,
relatives are there right now, so I'm currently with them. But it will be done. That's not a problem.
yeah, I'm excited to see what you have.
Hmm. Yeah, just I will go here and see. I have to go in the integrated terminal and run this particular command, I guess. This is the main file. So I am in the this folder. Pip install requirements dot text. I have to configure the whole thing. It's installed. Now I have to run it. I hope this runs. Yeah, it got working. Yeah, can you see this?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is the front page or the home page of my website. So what I have made it, it's a AI career navigator, a cutting edge career guidance platform for technical students or whatever they wanna use, they can use. So I have focused like it should look good and all the things. I have
Mm-hmm.
also mentioned about the platform, what I have used, the enterprise structure, and various effects I have also done here. If you can see, this is the technology stack I have used. The idea behind this, the design philosophy and all. Then, if you want to get in touch, you can contact us here and in-depth things which I have used. So I have deployed it locally right now. So
Mm-hmm.
if you see, let's suppose I wanna go for the career chat feature. So my role is HD for now, I will say, and I have 2 years of experience, let's say. And if I just say hi, so it would say like you have to select all the options for better things. You can see it. Now I will see like I wanna chat about job applications, skill development, or salary negotiation or what. Then suppose I selected interview preparation. So let's ask like I am in Adobe right now. I wanna switch to Meta. What should I do? Now in the backend, OpenAI 4.1 is running and it will answer based on the things I have configured it. So firstly, it is giving me a direct answer and insight on its basis. So you are in a strong position as an ST in Adobe and you wanna switch. So here are some strategic breakdown it have basically done for me. Some more tips, whatever is given by him. Then some contextual examples, TSA things, potential pitfalls and other things. If you wanna ask more like how much time I need, even if you put wrong spelling, that's not a problem. It will answer you. So it's configured. Probably it is working. That's not a problem. It will give you answer. Like you need 6 to 8 weeks. I have told it to basically identify the things properly. And if you answer just how are you, so it will not respond to this. Like it will tell I am just for made for a specific role. So if you wanna ask, you have to ask for that particular role.
Mm.
Yeah, thank you for thoughtfulness. But as I am career mentor, so I will help you with this only. So whatever options I have basically chosen here, it will be getting my output on the same basis. So this was the first feature. Now the second one is resume analysis. You will open it. Suppose I would have my CV here. Yeah. So my CV is here. Additionally, like if you wanna put the text of resume whatever I have, you can paste it here. Either choose both of it or choose one of it and just say analyze. So it will take some time. In the backend, everything is running. I have given more tokens to the resume analysis feature since it will be taking more of space because the resume is generally big. So here are the results for the same. You can see various things, the critical improvement area, strength and high impact area, and other things. I have particularly modified it to get the answer in a better way. Similarly, you can choose these type of things for the interview prep, for the skill analysis. Like you are applying for a particular role, and suppose you have some skills, you wanna see like what skills you are lacking according to the current trend. So it will tell you in detail regarding the same. So this is what I made. I can show you more,
That's
but
amazing.
yeah,
That is fantastic. So let me ask you, so if there, what are the other options of besides interview prep? Because I saw like because you've got the role, got the level of experience. Can you just what is the next option to set the profile?
like you can go to resume analysis. It will ask your resume. If you go in interview preparation, it will ask like for what role you want to carry on. Like here I have configured these many roles. By default none will be selected. You have to select some. Then you have to select the roles mid size, full size, or whatever. Then click company size. Like suppose I've selected randomly, then it will be giving me the behavioral questions and other things. Also you can see I have used the glass morphism effect and a sticky feature also to make the nav bar stay always together. Like suppose if we are at the end of the page, we don't have to scroll, we just click here and we will be directed here. See, you have got the answers: company and role specific intelligence. So what Apple expects, first it will tell of all of that. Then what more things are required, then it will be telling the technical questions and various other things, what you can prepare, how you can prepare, and then you can carry on. Like here
So
the
for the
tokens have been indexed, so it is not showing more, but if you will regenerate it will carry.
I was just in the career chat right there. What is the third option? So it
Interview,
says did I enter the career chat? Yeah. What's that third option? That one, yes.
like it will be tailoring your chat. Like suppose you are an HD, you have an experience of 2 years, and then it will consider you are at this level currently and you want to talk about job application or skill development or interview preparation, salary negotiation. So it will
Can
be
I can I can
like,
I give it one? Can I give you one?
sure.
Okay, so put in GRC.
GRC
Yeah, and then up the level to the mid level.
mid.
Yep. And then can you put consulting or some kind of like contract?
No, I have to implement it. Currently it is only for that
Okay,
particular.
career. Let's get a job. Let's get a job in GRC. Interview prep. Oh, I
Okay,
love you. Salary negotiation. Yeah, so we'll do interview prep.
okay, now what should I ask?
Um, uh, what are my first steps? Or what should I don't know. What yeah, what are my first steps?
See, it is giving answers in your domain also.
GRC is governance, risk, and compliance. So it's kind of in the does it recognize that?
Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah, governance, risk, compliance. How
It
cool.
will,
I love it.
yeah, yeah, thank you.
That's amazing.
We are
That's
also
really
using many Azure functionalities in this. We have used the OpenAI service, app service, static app service, monitor, and DevOps. So it would be a good project for my AI project also, I guess, if I wanna do.
yes, amazing. What is your uh what is the I was gonna say, what's your front end on this?
What?
What did you build the app on? You built it on
I have
everything.
used TypeScript and Python for my backend, and for frontend mainly JavaScript and TypeScript is there.
Oh, it's amazing. It looks so good. I love it. That is so exciting. Great job.
Yeah, thank you.
Really, really excellent.
Just the thing is, it is deployed locally. I can't get it deployed anywhere else.
Oh, okay. So that's the issue is you just need to get it up and running so that other people can actually interface with
Yeah,
it and use it.
yes, yes, yes. That's what I need.
Does it need to be just hosted on it? I don't know the process. Is it, do you have to host it on a URL or where do you host it?
Like we can simply, like, my app is a full stack, and all the projects which are uploaded right now in the repo are front end only, so they are hosted on the static side, and that doing that thing is too much easier. So for me, I have to configure each and everything, like my front end is properly talking to backend or not, they are connected to each other or not, response is going or not, all the APIs are working properly or not. If there are any errors, I should fix it. Like locally, the things are different, but on cloud services, things are different. When I was uploading, it gave me errors, like it is not uploaded, but then I asked, like, the same code is working on my local system, why not it uploaded, and so errors for the same. Then it said like some things are different, so I'm trying to get it done. From yesterday night I'm trying. I haven't slept for 2 days, but it is not being done. You are mute.
So you're in the troubleshooting phase. So you got this part done. You just have to like connect it.
Yes,
It
like
looks
if I'm not
amazing.
able to
So
get
I'm
it
so
done, so
excited for you to.
yeah, without that deployment link I have to put it. I'm trying, I have to get the link, but let's see.
Well, I think this is super exciting. So I'm excited to see what we all kind of come up with. And
Yeah.
I'm going to get an email out to our community today reminding them to fill out their form, but just let us know where they're at because we'd love to, in within the first half of July, would like to see as many people get as far as they can. Obviously, we'd love to see some people get done tomorrow, which would be amazing. So I'll get some communications out to everyone today and just
Yes.
wanting to do our best to make sure that we have some submissions from our team, not just from our leads, but also from our participants. We would like them to be part of the competition.
Yeah, like actually some relatives are there at home today, so let's end it here probably.
That sounds perfect. Okay, thanks everybody, and we'll see you next time. Thanks so much, Ariane.
Thank you everyone for joining. We hope you also create a similar kind of project of whatever you like. So we'll meet you tomorrow. Until then, if you need any help, just ping us on any of the platform, and we'll be happy to help. Bye.
Fantastic. All right, bye.